In the last video, we created this beautiful hero section for our website. In this video, we will take a look at the website style, specifically the colors. In Wix Studio, you can actually set the default color of your website, and each of these colors represents a certain aspect of your website's style. So we're going to talk about what each of these colors represent, what they set. The first color is the color of your main background. So the white color you're seeing here, the page background, is your first color. So let's say you want to create a dark themed website. You can set it like this, and now you have a dark background. The second color here is your secondary background. So let's say your container backgrounds, your repeater items background. So for example, let's set it to red, and I'm going to add a repeater in this section. So go to the repeaters, and if I add a repeater here, you will see that the background is set to red, and that's because the second color here represents the red color. The third color is for the border of your container and other elements like the cells. So let's add an example, a default container like this, and let's add a border to it. So if you add a border like this and you set the website style, the third color will be set as the color of your border. So whatever color you want for your borders of the elements and cells and sections, you can add that to the third color. The fourth color will be for secondary elements like your store pricing. So if you add your store apps, you will see the fourth color as the color of your store's pricing, the product pricing. The fifth color is another very important color. This is the accent of your website. So if I set it to red, for example, and let's add a text. So if I add a title, for example, you can see that it is set to red color. So the fifth color is the main accent of your website. The same goes for the button as well and everything else. The sixth color here is the color of your hover effect. So if I go to the hover setting of this button, for example, you can see that it is set to the sixth color right here. So if I change it, for example, like this, you can see that the color changes as well. And finally, we have the seventh color here, which is also for similar alerts like the fourth color. You will see these elements somewhere in your store pages, so you can give this a vibrant color. Now, while deciding the color, the most important thing you have to make sure is that there is enough contrast between the foreground and the background. There are many tools to check this. Wix Studio has a built-in. If you go here in the tools, you will have an editor add-on, the color blind simulator. You can use this. The most important, however, is this contrast checker. So you can add this tool in your website and see if there is enough contrast between the foreground and the background. It is very important for the accessibility and the SEO optimization of your website. So these were the website colors in Wix Studio. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.